Very good morning, students. Today we are going to study the last portion of the textbook, that is the nation 60 years on. What is the topic? The nation 60 years on. So we will watch a small video clip after this one, and let us read the major points, then we will come back to our textbook. Okay, on 15th August 2007, when we are considering this one, August 15, 2007, India celebrated its 60 years of its existence as a nation. How many years over? By 2007, 60 years. 2017, 70 years completed. Now 73 years completed. This is 74th year we are living as an independent country or free nation. That India is still united, that it is still democratic. And when we are looking to India, we see India is still, it is united as well as it is democratic also. Then as many as 13 general elections have been held since independence, as well as hundreds of states and local election. Not only in the national level, we conduct more than 15 general elections over, and we conducted hundreds of, not hundreds of elections in wherever in the state wise as well as in the local areas. And there is a free press as well as an independent judiciary. We are having in India, we are having free press also. Each and we are having know about daily newspapers, we know about magazines and pamphlets, like that things we are having. So we are having the freedom of press and freedom of opinion also. And at the same time, we are having independent judiciary, that we have seen already in civics book. Then on the other hand, despite the constitutional guarantees, the untouchables, or as they are now referred to, the Dalits face violence and discrimination. Even though many rules and regulations or many promises given in constitution, still we are not reached in the position to enjoy all the freedom. Still we are having facing some of the violence, discrimination. He said about Dalit, not only Dalit and common people also facing many problems in India still. And as a student nowadays, because of pandemic, what all problems we are facing, or in other situation, newspaper, what all things we are reading, inequalities in the society, or in justice problem, we are not getting proper justice. Even though if you are filing case after 25 years, 30 years we are getting the judgment of that case, then where we are getting the real justice, like that things are there. The constitution recognizes equality before law. Very clearly want to understand, we are getting equality before law, but in real life some Indians are more equal than others. So what we are facing? Inequality in the society, or discrimination in the society. And some Indians, in real life, some Indians are more equal than the other. Means still discriminations are there in the society. We become independent as well as democratic state in 1950. Then 1950 to 2020, we completed 70 years of our constitution, practice of constitution. Still we are facing some of the violence, we can say, what we can say, fundamental rights we are not enjoying properly, like that we can understand when we are looking to our constitution, or when we are studying the constitution laws or the fundamental rights, we are understanding we are not reached, we are on the way to reach. Again we want to walk forward in many miles to reach, to enjoy the real democracy, real freedom, real equality in the society. This is all about our lesson, and we will continue with a small video clip, and afterwards we will go back to our textbook also. Here we are starting the video clip. You can observe it neatly and clearly.
It is 2017. Let's see how much has India really changed in the past 70 years. India's population was 36.1 crores crores in 1947. Now it is estimated to be 3.7 times that number, 134.2 crores. Male literacy was 24.9%. Now it is 80.9%. Female literacy has also shown great improvement, from 7.9% in 1947 to 64.6% today. Overall literacy went from 16.6% to 74%, improvement of 4.4 times. Gender ratio was 946 females per 1,000 males in 1947. The number has gone down to 943. This means India's gender ratio actually worsened a bit. 46% children in the age group of 6 to 14 used to go to school. Today, 96% children are enrolled in school. There were only 3 lakh vehicles on Indian roads at the time of independence. Now there are 686 times more vehicles. But the road network has only increased 14 times. This is the main reason that Indian roads are so congested. India had 59,000 doctors back then. Now we have more than 8 lakh doctors. That is 14 times more. Similarly, nurses increased from 35,000 to around 6,30,000. Medical colleges grew 14 times and hospital beds 11 times. Per capita income was 274 rupees in 1947, and in 2017 it is 1,03,000 rupees. Although this comparison is unfair because the cost of living was way less back, increased 3,819 times in rupee terms, from 4.9 billion rupees to 18,523 billion rupees. India was the 6th largest economy by purchasing power parity with a GDP of $220 billion at the time of independence. Now we are 3rd largest. Subscribing to our channel used to cost 0.
Please come back to our lesson, The Nation 60 Years On. Please read with me. Please underline the major points. On 15th August 2007, India celebrated 60